Hello viewers, welcome to my channel AHP Education. Today we learn about positive words in English. Positive words are uplifting and sportive words that inspire, encourage and motivate, such as great job, thank you and believe in yourself. Now let's get started with the topic. Accomplished, cheerful, accepting, active, adaptable, admirable, adventurous, affable, beautiful, creative, abundant, affectionate, ambitious, approachable, clever, confident, empathy, independent, open minded, organized, pleasant, absolutely, accurate, achieve, friendly, natural, optimistic, jubilant, generous, instantaneous, superb, amazing, quiet, honest, handsome, simple, celebrated, distinguished, thrilling, marvelous, harmonious, enthusiastic, imaginative, brave, robust, popular, meritorious, genius, instinctive, heavenly, bountiful, effervescent, trusting, good. Thank you so much for watching my video.